Welcome. In front of me is a BUSH Spira B5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pull off the cover of the device. So just flip it over, and I already pried it off almost all around, so just need to pop it off only on top, like so. And from here on the top you have access to two different SIM trays, or SD tray and SIM tray. So I'm gonna use two different ones. So there's the SD tray on the bottom, like so, and then the SIM tray on above, and it's the middle-sized one, not the smallest one, it's just the second before that. So insert that. Now we can close the cover, and let's see, there is the pin for the SIM card, so let's just put that in. And then there's the SD card. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.